Anhui Golden Vision Optoelectronic Technology Company Limited was established in 2011 and is a nationally certified high-tech enterprise. Since its establishment, Golden Vision has been deeply involved in the field of LCD display and have become a professional LCD solution supplier, providing customers with integrated solutions for LCD, LCM, and embedded systems. Products cover TN, HTN, STN screens, monochrome COG modules, TFT modules, serial port screen, VA resistors, and backlight SMT complete machine assembly, etc., and are widely used in instrumentation, household appliances, medical equipment, communication equipment, electrical instruments and equipment, power tools, and other fields. Golden Vision has passed IATF 16949, ISO 9001, and ISO 14001 certification. All products comply with the EU Green Directive RoHS. We have Class 100 dust-free workshops, automated molding and assembly equipment. Meanwhile, the experienced practitioners provide a good production environment and hardware guarantee for products with high precision requirements. Golden Vision's screens and PCB are independently produced, with its own team of software and hardware engineers and full-chain independent research and development capabilities covering the entire process, including UI design, structural engineering, etc., achieving integrated and efficient quality control and delivery. Golden Vision adheres to the service tenet of taking customer satisfaction as the corporate management goal and standard, flexibly responds to rapid changes in the market, provides customers with diversified product line development directions,